Understanding Drone Controller, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, drone controller. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about modern gadgets, understanding this term is essential. So, let's dive in. Before we delve into the term, drone controller, it's important to understand what a drone is. A drone, also known as an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, is a type of aircraft without a human pilot on board. Drones are often used for various purposes, including photography, surveillance, and recreational activities. They are known for their ability to fly remotely, which brings us to our next section. The term controller in drone controller refers to the device used to operate the drone from a distance. This device is crucial because it allows the person using it to control the drone's movements and actions. Controllers can vary in complexity, ranging from simple handheld devices to more sophisticated setups with multiple features and controls. Combining our understanding of drones and controllers, the phrase, drone controller, refers to the remote control device used to operate a drone. This device is key to the functionality of drones, allowing users to guide the drone to fly in certain directions, adjust its height, and sometimes even control the camera or other attached equipment. Drone controllers are used in various scenarios, such as aerial photography, where precision control is required to capture the best images. They are also used in industries like agriculture for surveying crops, in filmmaking for unique camera angles, and even in search and rescue operations to reach areas where humans can't easily go. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, drone controller. We hope this video has been informative and helped you understand not just the term, but also the fascinating technology behind it. Remember, learning English can also be a journey into learning about new and exciting topics. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.